Hello everyone. Hope all of you are good and safe at home. I am Sharoni Chatterjee and welcoming all of you to your science class. So let us start the class. Today we are going to start our class with riddles. First riddle for you. We can eat its legs, its breast and its wings. Plus we can eat its eggs when it alive. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is chicken. Next riddle for you. When you are going for a movie, you will get some of this. Add some butter and salt. The taste simply bliss. Can you tell me the name of the food? Yes, it is popcorn. I think all of you now understood we are going to talk about food today. Do you want to know more about food? Yeah. Let's start our chapter 1, Food and its Sources. Before going to the chapter, just look at the mind map of the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn 4 topics. First topic is food and nutrition. Second topic is sources of food. Third topic is food habits of animals. Fourth topic is food chain. So start from first topic, food and nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is a process by which we are getting food in our body and use it for growth and development of our body. Now come to the second topic, sources of food. Here you can see 2 subtopics are there. Plant sources and animal sources. For these subtopics, I will give you one example. Suppose you want to prepare palak paneer at your home. For these preparations, you need 2 main ingredients. Okay? So first is palak and second is paneer. Palak you are getting from plant and paneer you are getting from animal. So whatever we are eating as a food, we are getting either from plant or from animal. Now come to our third topic, food habits of animals. Depending on the food habit of animal, we can categorize 3 main types. First is herbivores. Second, carnivores. Third, omnivores. Herbivores means the animals eats only plant. Example, cow, horse, some birds also there like parrot, pigeon, etc. Next, carnivores. The animal eats only others animals. Example, tiger, lion, eagle, etc. Next, omnivores. In this category, animal eats plants also and others animals also. So in this category, examples are crow, human beings also there in this category. Don't forget that. Come to our next name. Depending on the food habits of animals, we can get 3 more names here. Decomposers, scavengers, parasites. Scavengers. Scavengers means the animal who eat dead body of plant and animal. Examples of scavengers: vulture. Now come to decomposer. Decomposer means who break down organic material. Example: snail. Come to our last name, parasites. Parasites means a living organism who lives on or in another living organism body and obtain food from there. So examples of parasites is lice, which lives on or in human body or on human hair. So now come to our last topic, food chain. For this, just look at the PPT. Come to the last topic, food chain. Food chain is the sequence of transfer of matter and energy in the form of food from one organism to another organism. For examples, look at the picture. Here we will start from grass. Grasshopper eating grass and getting energy from grass. Next, bluebird is eating grasshopper and they are getting energy from grasshopper. After that, snakes are eating bluebird and getting energy. Last, owls are eating snakes and getting energy from there. After their dying, fungi decompose their body and all the energy they return back to environment for further use. So this called food chain. Dear students, we already learned about all this topic in our online class. So till then, bye, take care, thank you.